Hi, I'm Lynn Lilly, and today we are going to refinish a raw wood sofa table using Unicorn SPiT and Famowood Glaze Coat. If you've never heard of Unicorn SPiT, it's a gel stain and glaze in one, and you can use it on multiple surfaces. Today we're using it on raw wood, but you can also use it on pottery, glass, metal, fabric, and so much more. Let's go ahead and get this project started. Before getting started, make sure to cover your work area, raise your piece on painting tripods, and make sure that your furniture is free of dirt and debris. First, I'm staining the tabletop with Unicorn SPiT and Weathered DAYDREAM. You can dilute the SPiT with water to achieve your desired color. For this project, I'm doing 2 parts water and 1 part Unicorn SPiT. Make sure to mix well. Use painter's tape if you're staining your piece multiple colors. Next, brush on the Unicorn SPiT, allow it to penetrate the wood, and wipe away excess with a clean cloth. Another tip is to paint with the grain, and once it is soaked into the wood, wipe with the grain. For the rest of the table, we're using Unicorn SPiT in the color whitening, and we're not diluting it because we want the white to be really vibrant. One of the other things I love about Unicorn SPiT is that it smells like jasmine. Now that our table is dry, I'm going to use glaze coat for a protective surface. Step 1, measure equal parts of the resin and hardener. Next, pour the hardener into the resin. Mix for 6 minutes. Transfer to a new cup. Mix for 6 additional minutes. Work quickly because you have about 15 to 20 minutes before the glaze coat starts to harden. Use a plastic spreader to evenly spread the product on the surface. Eliminate air bubbles by carefully moving an open flame across the surface. Allow tabletop to cure for 72 hours. Look at how beautiful the table turned out. I think the glaze coat finished it off perfectly. Remember that the possibilities are endless with Unicorn SPiT. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. If you've got questions, post it in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on social media @CraftBoxGirls for more creative DIYs.